do you say Portugal? You say Portugal the right way. You don't say it like Portugal. Go. Portugal. Where's the bloody timer? Oh, you want a timer? This time you want a timer? Okay. Portugal. You're gonna see me get a timer. See me. See me get a timer. Where's Snaz? We need Snaz here, boys. Snaz is our timer. And also to see the chat. The chrono up. But you want the timer down. So we want 1 hour, something like that. Like 1 hour and a half. I think I can do 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and so. Where is the thing where I can? So if I start it, oh yeah. So, tips and tricks to stream on Twitch. As if I know that how that works. Oh, I started already? I'm dumb. But here we go to StreamLabs, and we had a source that's gonna be our timer. We had what is it? A text source, right? We had it. And we don't want an existing one. We want a new one. It's gonna be our timer down, right? We had the source. We're like, read from file. Are you learning, chat? Are you learning? Then yes. Oh, where is it? I cannot see. I cannot see. Save changes. I cannot see either. Are you liking this so far, chat? So far? I want the editor display, dude. Yeah. I'm done. Ooh, Portugal. Do you want it like this? Do you want it like this? Do you want it like... I don't know where it could look good. I'm going to put it here. So we have a timer. Give me samples. Why so demanding? I'm so... It's all about the fingers. The fingers. My fingers.
You lose.
Oh no. I know this song is getting cringy the fuck up. I can show you the middle finger, cause I don't at my fucking ass fingers. I can wipe my arse so I lick it instead. You got a problem, so lend me your fingers. You need help with the jaw if you look at my fingers. It figures. Put the timer on your face, hold with your hands and see how long it takes. Get the webcam on and count how many takes it takes for you to give me back my fucking fingers. It all comes back to the fingers. Oh my god. Hey. This is the best part of the song. I'm not singing. Transfer. I'll check that. Oh, it's